Hello, Velvet.
Yes.
I need your help.
Welcome, Loyalty Squad. This is the Velvetlox coming back to you with another awesome and powerful weight loss video for you today. Now, in this video, I'm going to show you how to lose 12 pounds in 14 days. And this is a powerful weight loss tea because this is what's going to help you to lose that belly fat. Okay, it's going to slim you down. So, without any further ado, let's get started. The first ingredient you're going to need is pomegranate. Pomegranate is rich in antioxidants, polyphenols, and conjugated linoleic acid, which helps you to burn fat and boost your metabolism. Pomegranate also helps in suppressing your appetite and is a healthier alternative to sugar, as well as it's low in calories. Now, if you don't have the pomegranate plant, you can actually use the juice. Next ingredient is cinnamon sticks. Now, these aren't the normal cinnamon sticks that you're used to seeing in your grocery. These are more organic, as well as some cumin seeds. Cumin can be used for weight loss as an effective weight loss remedy. You can lose fat from your belly as well as your whole body within just 15 to 20 days just by eating cumin seeds or drinking cumin water daily. Cumin can help burn calories faster by increasing the speed of metabolism and improving digestion. It also helps respond to insulin and glucose, which keeps your blood sugar stable. Cumin seeds is a powerful diuretic. And also some turmeric powder. Turmeric helps with dealing with stomach issues, metabolic disorders, obesity, and many more problems. Turmeric has certain anti-inflammatory properties which help reduce the inflammation in the body, which is one of the factors causing obesity. Curcumin is an antioxidant, suppresses the inflammatory condition in fat, pancreas, and muscle cells. You're also going to need 500 ml of filtered water, as well as a pot. So we're going to start off by putting our water into our pot to boil. Now, what we're going to be needing in the pomegranate are the seeds. So if you have a fresh pomegranate, you're going to need to get the seeds out. So you may need to get a spoon or whatever just to get the seeds out, okay? And just scrape them out. But like I said, if you don't have fresh pomegranate, you can use the juice. So now we're going to add 2 teaspoons of our pomegranate seeds to our pot. Now this recipe calls for black cumin seeds, but you can also use the regular cumin seeds. But I decided I'm going to use the black Kalanji cumin seeds for this recipe. Now you're going to need 2 teaspoons of your black cumin seeds and add that into your pot of water. Next, I'm going to put in 1 stick of cinnamon sticks into the water. Also, you guys, put in a half a teaspoon of your turmeric powder. For some reason that part didn't record on this video, but you will need a half a teaspoon of your turmeric powder and put that inside your pan like so. And then you're just going to stir this up and leave it on a slow simmer, a slow flame for at least 10 minutes. Now you're going to get your Big Mama or your Big Papa mug, your favorite glass mug, and we're going to strain our tea. Okay, and lastly, you will sweeten with either a teaspoon of honey, or you can have a half a teaspoon of your stevia. Now, this is really a powerful drink. You're going to drink this in the morning on an empty stomach, as well as in the evening before bed. So you're going to create this twice per day, okay? You're going to drink it in the morning, and then you're going to drink it before bed, and this is going to work on you. You're going to lose 12 pounds in 14 days, shrink that belly, and slim down. This is a powerful, nutrient-filled tea. Also, don't forget to eat healthy meals. On any weight loss tea talks, you have to also incorporate healthy eating along with your teas, so this way you can get the most benefits from the teas, and the less calories you're eating, the more weight you're going to see coming off. All right, so you guys, I thank you so much for joining me on this wonderful video. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe down below. Share these videos with your friends and family who are also on a weight loss journey. Okay, also check down below for links for these herbs, for the personal size blender, as well as the full size blender, and more. Okay, I got so much going on down there. Also, you guys, check out my eBay store if you want to purchase any of the seeds, such as the black cumin calendula seeds or the regular black cumin seeds. I have everything down below. All right, so I thank you so much for joining me, and I will see you again in the next video. Welcome, YouTube family. This is the Velvetlox introducing to you my new channel, and this channel is called Velvet Vlogs. On this channel you will see hair videos, skincare videos, as well as family vlogs. Okay, so check it out, go down below, click those links, and subscribe, as well as turn on your notification bell, and I will see you there.